Sri KTS Tulsi, very brief.
So the question in the calling attention is
Only one more name.
how the situation arising out of the impasse. Now, impasse is not the creation of the government. This impasse is the insistence by the judiciary that no one else can have any say in the matter of appointments. So many times suggestions have been sent from the government that if we have certain material against the nominated candidate for a judge, we will send it back to you and you may examine that. They say no. Even if you have the weightiest of reasons for not appointing somebody as a judge, you cannot send it back. After all, what was the attempt in the National Judicial Appointment Commission? The point was that let there be wider consultation. The Supreme Court does not want the say of anyone in the matter of appointment. That's the impasse. How do we remove, for removal of impasse, there has to be a give and take from both sides. And here one side is sticking to its guns. There is no such system anywhere in the world. In fact, in Scotland, there is a Judicial Appointment Commission consisting of 24 persons, all of whom are laymen. There was a proposition last year that let there be 2 judges or lawyers, and the people returned the verdict that we don't want a single judge or a lawyer in the Judicial Appointment Commission. We are the consumers of justice and we will decide. Neither the Parliament can have say, nor the Executive can have say. How is it going to work? The Constitution has been rewritten by the Supreme Court. When the Constituent Assembly debated the matter of appointment, they said that the matter cannot be left to the Chief Justice alone. The appointment will be by the President on the recommendation of the government of the day. Now, when the Supreme Court is not willing to concede an inch, how is the government going to be able to remove the impasse? It's an unfortunate situation, but that's a problem.
Thank you.